Hey, welcome to the Learn More Technology. My name is Kumar Abhishek. I'm going to deliver a tutorial on basic HTML. Okay, so first we have to know about what is HTML actually and why should we learn HTML? Why is it so important to learn HTML? So, what is the important role for HTML in creating web pages? Why not we just skip HTML and just look for a CSS in JavaScript? So, what is this actually HTML do for creating web pages? Okay, so web page HTML actually stands for a hypertext markup language. But you have to be noticed here. You have to be just know about that this is not a programming language. Okay, as what Python, JavaScript is regarded as a programming language, but one is different. How it is different? I'm telling you, this is markup language because this gives a proper structure for creating a web pages. So, so HTML stands for hypertext markup language. Okay, and a markup language is a set of markup tags. So this HTML have many tags. Okay, like P tag that stands for a paragraph tag. So, if you see the inside the P tag, we can create a paragraphs, okay, a number of paragraphs. So, we, as we want to just create a paragraph, so for that, we need to just create a tag. First, start with the opening tag and ends with a close tag. So, I'm telling you, first, like in the angle type brackets, we just create a starting tag like p tag. So in this way we just open the p tag, and then like this, I'm showing you example here, and this is VS Code. This is one of the famous code editor that we just write our code and execute and just look into the web pages. Okay, look into our browser like Google Chrome, if you use a Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. Okay, whatever you use. So by you have to download extension here like live server. So what actually this live server do actually, by using this live server like this one, if you do here, if you go in this option, you see there's a option open with live server. Okay, so in this way you can see your complete HTML page. So for now it is very empty. Okay, it is empty now because we have not created any content here. So let's start to create our first small content. Okay, so what we have to do now here, we have to start like this basic HTML structure we want to put here. Okay, because for creating a web pages, it's very much important that we create a basic structure starting from a HTML tag. Okay, so see, HTML tag, how we do like this. See, HTML. Now, one thing I want to share you all that this HTML, this VS Code, this VS Code has a one feature, one best feature that every developers love it, and that feature is that this feature is like have a emit kind of functionalities. So when you write like this HTML simple, it's like a data here. So see here, got an option here, emit abbreviation. Okay, so by clicking on this, so you will see the magic here that HTML got in a tag here like this in the tag form. Open HTML. this one is opening tag and this one is closing tag. Closing is made by here slash and then HTML slash here, right, before the HTML, and this is regarded as a closing tag, okay, and this one is opening tag. So inside this we created head tag, okay, so head tag, and inside this we create title. So this is a basic structure, okay. So inside this container, the title and the close and this opening title tag and the closing title tag, in between these two, you can write your title also. Just like this is a container, this opening and closing tag just act as a container. Inside this container, we will put our first content that will contain in this title tag. Okay. See, so if I write this, my first web page like this, okay, so see what will happen. Now this one, after I have downloaded this live server, and I have downloaded this more extension here, like this, where it is now, live preview. So you have to download this extension also. After you will download this live preview, then you will get this kind of option here. So after clicking on this option, so you can see the changes, whatever the changes we will make in this code, so that will be visible in this HTML page. So this is your HTML page, okay. So now you see that inside the title, inside the title tag, I have just created this my first web page. So here it is very clear visible here, you can see this, and this is your head. This is a closed head tag, because this is the opening head tag and this is a close head tag, and between these two there is a title tag, opening title tag and close title tag, and between this opening and closing title tag there is our first title is my first web page, okay. Now what we have to do, we want to create a body tag. So see, as I have written here BO, and now Emmett just suggested me that this could be a body tag. So see here, this is a body. Just simply press the enter button. Now see, it just created a body tag for you. First one is open tag, and second one is close tag. Okay. So we can write our first content here. Hi, my name is, let's suppose I writing my own name here. My name is Kumar. So see, whatever we write here, actually it is visible here in this HTML page. Okay. Now you can suppose you can use the p tag. As I have in the starting also, I have discussed about the p tag. What is p tag? So let me show you what is how the p tag will just make the effect on this HTML page. So see, as I have right here written here P. So just Emmett just suggested me that this could be a para tag, paragraph tag P. So simply we just enter it like this. So see, this is our paragraph tag. Okay. So here we will write any kind of things we can write like this. Hi, I am a programmer. Okay. So see, hi, I'm a programmer. Okay, I'm a programmer. So you can see the result in your HTML page. Now you can do like this also. Like I have discussed about the p tag. So you have seen the example also. You have seen the how the p tag works actually. And whatever the content we want to create, first we have to enclose that specific content inside the opening and closing tag, whatever the tag we use, whether it is a p tag, whether it is a p tag, h1 tag, h2 tag, and like so there's so many tags that we can use inside this uh, html, okay. So whatever we just, if we want to create a web page, So we must have to start with the HTML tag, and after all this operation has been done, then finally we have to close with right with the slash. Okay, yeah, slash and HTML. So this indicates that our HTML tag has been closed. So this is your closing tag and this is your opening tag. And between and inside this, our so many things you will see: head tag, title tag, and whatever. Okay, but you don't have to write this or write all these things manually. You can get all these things uh, in by emit features. Okay, so see, by emit features you can get all these tags whatever I have just manually written all these tags. You will get all the tags inbuilt by the emit. So the developers of the html has just built all these function already for you, so it will not consume your time, it will save your time. Okay, so that's so good features in this VS Code. So that's why many developers just prefer to use this VS Code. It's a very magic tool for many developers to just go for a creation of web pages. Okay, let me show you how it works. So on your laptop, just press this shift plus exclamatory mark. The top of the keyboard you will see there's a one. So just press shift and exclamatory mark. So you will get like this. So see, Emmett just suggest us that this exclamatory mark could be your basic construction of HTML page. So just simply press this button, enter button. See, this is it. So this doc type HTML you can see, and then this HTML tag doc type HTML will just tell you that what kind of version of HTML you are using actually. Okay, before in a previous year we actually used the version 4 of HTML. Now we are using HTML5. Okay, so HTML5 is the latest version that many developers are using. And the next line you see there's a HTML tag as we all know, but this lang and equals to, and this in the string, as you have read in the have learned in the Python also, the this this is in the string format. Okay, so en, this line means this is an attribute. What attribute is actually, it just added information to this tag. Okay, this HTML tag and this lang is an attribute that has additional information to this tag, at what kind of information is given to this tag. So actually this lang means that the whole HTML page will be formatted in the English language. Okay, whatever you write, that whole content will be in the English language. So that's what attribute here give the meaning to this HTML. Okay, gives the additional information, and this all are the system information. What is the system name and cat set name? So we don't have to look on these things. This is not so necessary to know about it. We we are here to learn how we can save the time by using this special feature in VS Code. Okay, so by typing by pressing simple shift plus exclamatory mark, so we got all this basic structure. Now we mainly just focus on creating the content, and it will be start inside the body tag. Okay, and see how it will. So first we want to just know about how what is the h1 tag. So h1 tag is nothing but it's a heading tag. Okay, heading 1 tag. So heading 1 h1 tag is very much important. It is just regarded as a very important tag. As in many websites you have seen that if you search for the bloggers page, like any authors, any writers just written any kind of blog. Okay, and if you keep searching on the Google, okay, about a specific blog written by the specific authors and writers, so you will just notice that Here, you will search for the keyword. Okay, keyword. So what server actually here doing that according to your search, whatever you search. So there's an engine, there's a server do like SEO. So SEO what? So SEO means search engine optimization. So what you actually searching in a Google Chrome, so server will just filter your words and give and try to give the result of your searching. Okay. So what you have searched like many things you can search that Mowgli books, Jungle Book, okay, written by Rudyard Kipling, like those things you can get. So that's what in H1 tag many just bloggers use H1 tag for writing this important title of the blog. Okay, important title of the blog, so that any users, any searchers in the web page who are just Google it by the name of whatever the in written in the H1, he or she will get that specific site name. Okay, so here, so H1 will give you the bold letter, bold in black letter, and it will be like this. Hello, see. So changes can be visible in this page here. You see that like this. Suppose, and H2 is the list. See, but you can notice one thing here, that as we are writing here H1, so H1 is okay. Hello world is there, but what about H2? Hello world. It's getting small inside. But why? Because in HTML, H1 is the very important, so it is written in the little big size here. S2 is not so much important, so it is written in the small in size here. So see, the size got decreased. Okay, so likewise here, H3 size will be more decrease here. So see what will happen. Hello world. Okay, see, you just notice here the size got decreased. Okay, in this way, H4, hello world. Oh, so size got more decreased here. So it's very interesting to see like that. First one is very big because it is very important, and many developers use H1. But you have to careful if you're using H1, because H1 is used only for giving the title more importance in the web page. Okay, if you if the server will if the web server, okay, if the web server will run the SEO, that's what we say, start sorry, search engine optimization. Okay, so what it will do, it will just search those content that has been written in the H1, and H1 gives those content a very importance, a big priority, big importance. Okay, so hello world, and then H2 is the least important, that's why it's getting the small in size. Hello world. Now H3, hello world. Now see, this small size, it's very much not so much important here. H3, H4, but yeah, you can, it's better, it's a very better practice that we can use H1 for once only, not for twice, not for thrice, not for four times, five times like that, but we can use H2, H3, H4 for many times we want. Okay, according to our needs when we create a HTML page. Okay, so see here. So in this way, this things works actually. Okay, and next one is I'm just teaching you basically about tags, basic tags that we use generally in creating a web pages. Bold tag, Italian tag, italic tag. Italic tag means whatever the content you have written in the simple like this. So italic tag will just change those contents in the Italian format, Italian writing format. How? Let me show you. See, suppose I here. Okay, what happened? Okay, see, so we have to. Okay, what's this? Wait, we have to shift this content by pressing Ctrl plus X. It will go inside this italic tag and see the magic here. See, so our format got changed of this content. So see, it just got little tilted. Okay, hello world. So it is our it is written in the Italian writing format. Okay, and what about this one? If you if we want to write if we want to just use this one, um, suppose we are using this bold. Okay, let's see what change we will see in this page. Yeah, this B will not work in this H1. Why? Because H1 gives you already a bold writing over here. Hello world, bold writing already. So B is useless here. So we don't need to use this B because B just bold tag gives you effect. Okay, bold tag because just a tag will give you bold tag, but here it has no effect because H1 is already giving you effect like a bold. Okay, hello world. So we don't have to use this kind of tag here. We don't need to because it is not necessary to use bold tag inside the H1 because H1 is providing you already a bold letter writing here. See, so so basically, this is my this is our basic things about HTML. Okay, so from the next video, I will introduce you with more tags and more things we will learn in the next coming video. So for now, goodbye.